What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are on our TikTok shop tour. And right here, we have a hoodie towel. Very nice, thin material. It's those sports material. You know how you wear your sports clothes and stuff? So very breathable. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Now this is perfect. Cutting grass, doing sports. All right. Got that. Got that. You could put these in the front. They actually have a button on it. So that's pretty cool if you want to use a button. Me, more than likely, I won't use the button. Oh, do I got this backwards? Let me see something. No, I don't have it backwards. All right. I know I don't have it backwards because of the stitching. So let me put that on again. All right. You split it. Goes over top of your head. Just like that. And again, they have buttons on it. It's kind of weird because the button is on the outside like this. Now, I don't know if this is how it actually goes, but I know I didn't see it on the thing like this. But this is the hoodie towel. More than likely, I'm going to leave it out, you guys. This is how I'm going to wear it, okay? Don't know how everybody else is going to wear it, but this is how I'm going to wear it. Not worried about this button. Then you put your hat right on top, and there goes your hoodie towel, all right? Again, it's nice and breathable. Very nice. I like it. I'm actually going to get a couple of more of these because, again, like I said, this stuff is cheap. But that's it, you guys, with the hoodie towel. Pretty nice. It's on TikTok shop. I don't know how to do links and stuff from TikTok shop. I will try. If you have a TikTok, then, if you don't have a TikTok, then I will try to find one on Amazon, link it to you because, maybe you might want to try something like this out, especially if you're someone like me who cuts grass or maybe in the garage, doing work in the garage. You want to put like something to catch your sweat and all of that. You don't want to maybe damage your hat. I don't know. But this is what we do when we want to catch sweat and all of that good stuff. So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.